Hello again, my friend. You're welcome. Now, in the previous video, we decided on the Linux distro we'll be using in this series, CentOS Stream. But before we install it, we need to prepare our environment. However, there's a problem. When you install a new operating system on your computer, it usually replaces the existing one, meaning you could lose your files, applications, everything. And I'm sure that's something you want to avoid. So what can we do? Do we go and buy a new computer just to install Linux? Well, that would be nice, but not for your pocket. But here's the good news. You can have another computer inside your computer, and that is what we call a virtual machine. Think of it this way. If I say I attended a virtual meeting, it means I wasn't physically there, but I still participated. In the same way, a virtual machine is a computer that is not physical but runs inside your current system. So you can install Linux on it, use it, and experiment without affecting your main operating system. Now, to make this possible, we need something called a hypervisor. The hypervisor acts like a bridge between your real computer, the host, and the virtual machine, the guest. So when your virtual machine needs resources like RAM or CPU, it requests them from your real computer through the hypervisor. That's how everything works together. There are different hypervisors available, but in this series we'll be using VirtualBox because it's free, easy to install, and perfect for beginners. Now let's get into it. Come to this website, you can find the link in the description below, and download the version for your operating system. I am on Windows, so I will click on Windows Hosts. Once it's downloaded, open it and install it, just like any normal software. No special settings needed, just keep clicking Next. After installation, open VirtualBox. Click on New, give your virtual machine a name, for example, Linux VM. Choose a location where it will be stored. Next. Now, for resources, RAM, don't give too much. CPU, 1 or 2 is fine. Storage, increase it to something like 20 gigabytes. Then, click Finish. And just like that, you now have a computer inside your computer. If you try to start it now, this will take some time. But it won't boot. Why? Because there is no operating system installed yet, and without an operating system, a computer is useless. But don't worry, we'll fix that in the next video, where we will put our Linux operating system into this virtual machine. Before we end, one quick thing. Open your Task Manager, go to Performance, under CPU. Make sure virtualization is enabled. If it's not, you'll need to enable it from your BIOS, else virtual machines won't be possible on your computer. If you've been following along, you're doing really well. This is all part of the Linux Expert Path, where we're learning Linux step by step. In the next video, we'll install the operating system and bring this machine to life. I'll see you there.